Today, I'm gonna be making homemade fried apples. It's absolutely delicious and really easy to make. So come along and I'll show you how to make it and how to can it. Right here is your recipe, so as always, if you know how to can, you can go ahead and just follow this and make it, but if not, I will show you step by step how to do it. When choosing your apples, it's best to go with a tart variety like Granny Smith, but technically any kind of apple will work. Now the recipe calls for 6 apples, but I'm gonna make double the recipe, that's why you see 12. I only had 10 of the Granny Smith, so I just threw in 2 of the Honey Crisp, that way we have 12 apples. Now we are going to quickly prepare these apples by peeling them, taking the core out, and then slicing them up. After you peel them with your vegetable peeler, if you have one of these, this is great because it takes the core out and slices it up for you all in one step, or you can use a knife to cut it up afterwards. Okay, they're cut up and we're ready to go. Next, you're gonna melt your butter in a big skillet. If you're making the true recipe, you're only gonna use a half a stick, but because I'm making double, I'm using a whole stick. Now we're going to add the apples to the melted butter. Now we're going to sprinkle that 1 teaspoon of lemon juice over top of the apples. I'm of course using 2 because I'm doing double the recipe. And then we're gonna sprinkle the brown sugar over top, 1/4 cup. But I have a cup of me because I'm doubling. And then we're gonna add our salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon. But 1/4 teaspoon for me because I'm doubling. Now we're just gonna mix it all together real good. And then we're gonna cover it and cook it for 15 minutes until the apples are tender and juicy. While the apples are cooking, we're gonna sterilize our jars in the oven at 250 for 10 minutes. And I'm also gonna bring this giant pot of water to a boil so we can water bath as soon as the apples are done cooking. It's cooked, water is about to a boil, so now I'm just going to add my cinnamon, mix it all in, and then we will pack our jars. Looks and tastes delicious. You want to pack these jars tight and try to press down on it so there's no air bubbles left in the jars. And then you're going to leave about 1 inch of headspace at the top as well. And then before you put on your lids, dip them into that boiling water for a couple of seconds to sterilize them. Then put on your bands. All right, they're in there. So we're going to let them boil for 15 minutes, then it'll be done. And here they are. They're done. Oh my goodness, it's so good. The one thing I will say about this recipe that I don't like is that the apples, because they cook, they shrink, and then you have to obviously pack it into your jars really tight. So all of those apples only made 2 of the quart-sized jars and then 1 of my small wide mouths, which isn't the end of the world, but you would think it would make more jars, but that's okay. It's delicious. The kids are gonna love this treat in the wintertime. So we will eat it later, and if you make this recipe, let me know how it turns out. But I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.